Okay, so we're moving on to a brand new unit, and we're working with something called a system of equations. Up until now, we've just solved one equation at a time. Well, a system of equations is simply two linear equations. That's it. So now instead of solving one equation at a time, we're going to be solving two. And so what is the solution to a system? There's a few different ways to look at it, but since it's two equations and there's two variables, your answer is going to be two numbers. So the solution to a system is the point where the two lines intersect. That's what we're looking for in this lesson. It's the point where the two lines intersect. And also, because we're going to be checking our work, it's going to be the point that makes both equations true. The point that makes both. It can't just work for one. It's got to work for both. So the solution to a system is going to be an ordered pair. So when I say point, I'm talking about an x, comma, y. Also in this lesson, we're going to be exposed to types of lines we've never seen before. So when you have a line that just says x equals and then a number, so it's an x equals line, that's going to be vertical. So an example would be if I have x equals 3, I'm going to go to 3 on the x-axis and put a point. And then I'm drawing a vertical line right there because this means all of my x values are 3. So I can have the point 3, 0, or the point 3, 4, or the point 3, negative 5, right? All of the x's are 3. So it's making a vertical line. The opposite would be a y equals line. Y equals lines are horizontal because all the y values are the same. So you go to y equals negative 4, you put a point, and then you draw a horizontal line. And the reason being, every single y value is negative 4. So the point 0, negative 4 is on this, or the point negative 5, negative 4, or the point 10, negative 4. All the y's are negative 4. So that's why it makes a horizontal line.